How to remove a dog's skin tags at home. Skin tags are benign lumps of skin that often appear on older dogs of any breed. They can appear anywhere on a dog's body but are often found on areas like the knees, the sides of the loin, the armpits, and the sides of the forelegs. The skin tags themselves are harmless, but they can be unsightly and may get caught on something that could injure the dog and cause infection. Keep in mind that there is a slight risk of complications, and while you can attempt removal at home, the better option is to leave the skin tag alone or speak to your vet. Part 1. Preparing to remove a skin tag. 1. Identify the skin tag. Skin tags in dogs can be confused easily with warts, which are more dangerous because they can grow into malignant tumors. Unlike warts, though, skin tags have a narrow stalk that is attached loosely to the skin. They may be flat or teardrop-shaped and can move or dangle, and they have the same color as the dog's skin. 2. Clean the area around the skin tag. If there is hair around the skin tag, clip it. Clean up any stray hairs that remain after clipping. This will help you ensure that the area is clean. 3. Disinfect the area. Disinfect the area around the skin tag with 70% isopropyl alcohol or 10% povidone-iodine. Soak a cotton ball with at least 5 milliliters, a spoonful, of either substance, then swipe the tag itself and the area around it. 4. Have someone else hold and calm the dog. You need the dog to be still so that you can cut carefully. Enlist someone else to help you that the dog likes, so that the person can effectively keep the dog calm. 5. Prepare a sterilization pan. Sterilize a pair of curved mayo scissors if you are going to cut the skin tag. Sterilize a piece of string or floss if you want to tie off the skin tag instead. You can use any shallow plastic pan, or even a lunch box, for this purpose. Place 250 milliliters of water in the pan, plus 10 milliliters of 10% povidone-iodine. Immerse the scissors in the pan for a full minute to sterilize them. Using curved scissors is important, as they will help ensure that the skin tag's stalk is cut as close to the skin as possible. Part 2. Detaching a skin tag. 1. Cut the stalk of the skin tag if you want it gone immediately. Using the curved mayo scissors, cut the stalk at its base as close to the skin as you can. It will bleed, so be prepared with clean gauze bandages. 2. Tie the skin tag if you can wait a bit for the skin tag to fall off. Using the clean string, thread, or dental floss, tie around the base of the stalk as tightly as possible and as close to the skin as you can. This will be a bit painful at first, but after a few minutes your dog will not feel it anymore. Check the area daily. The tag will swell for approximately 3 days, then it should begin to shrivel. It should turn dark and fall off within a week. 3. Apply direct pressure to the wound with a gauze bandage. While a veterinarian may cauterize the wound if this procedure was done in a vet's office, most people don't have the ability to do that sterilely at home. Instead, apply direct pressure for a few minutes, until you are relatively sure that bleeding has stopped. This may be even more effective than cauterizing. 4. Cover the area securely. Without removing the first gauze bandage, use another piece of gauze or a bandage to cover the area. It will heal in 3 to 5 days, but it's important to keep the dog from licking or playing with the wound. 5. Keep an eye on the wound. Make sure that no infection sets in. If it does, take your dog to the veterinarian to get the infection treated. 6. Use an e-collar around your dog's neck. You may need to put a cone on your dog if it repeatedly tries to lick the wound. Cone-shaped collars keep your dog from biting or licking the tied tag or the wound. Tips. Consult your veterinarian before removing a skin tag from your dog. In addition, remember that if the tags are large or if they are located in the face or mouth, you should have a veterinarian remove them instead of attempting to do it yourself.